We are doing a wrap on M Lazy C Ranch in the Rocky Mountains in Colorado.
It's spring and it's snowing on us.
It's
Are you
snowing.
kidding me?
The weather can change 40, 50 degrees. We're at about 8,000 feet and it can be windy. It could be calm the next minute. Temperature swings, snow, sunshine. It's a crazy.
It is crazy. But this place is awesome because it's surrounded by forest, national forest. You can go on these awesome horse rides. You can go walking. Yeah, it's been a really nice experience.
We've seen a ton of animals. We've seen antelope, elk, deer. We've seen bear tracks.
I found bear tracks on my own.
She did. Coyote tracks.
I was lucky I was not a bear snack.
So it's been a fun place, a dude ranch, just to kind of come, get some space, and enjoy the outdoors.
And I may become a tracker. You never know. I may be tracking bears.
I think you will.
Yep. Looking them up online to see if the prints matched, and yes, they did match.
It's a cool place. Check it out.
Thanks, Colorado.